Before we begin, let me ask you something important. If today was your last day, would your family be financially safe tomorrow? Most people avoid this question because it feels uncomfortable. But the truth is, thousands of families realize too late that term life insurance could have saved them. So today, we're removing all confusion and explaining term life insurance in the clearest and most eye-opening way possible. By the end of this video, you'll know what term life insurance is, how it works, what it covers, its benefits, its drawbacks, and the real costs in the USA in 2025. More importantly, you'll walk away with clarity, the kind of clarity that protects families and prevents regret. So let's start from the very beginning and break everything down step by step. Term life insurance is the simplest and most affordable type of life insurance available. Think of it like renting protection for 10, 20, or 30 years, where your family gets money if something happens to you. You pay a small monthly amount, and in return, you get a large financial safety net over your family's future. But here's the surprising part. Most people don't buy it. Many Americans believe life insurance costs hundreds each month, which stops them from even checking real prices. In reality, a healthy adult can get a $500,000 20-year policy in 2025 for just $25 to $45 a month. That's the same price people spend on Netflix, Starbucks, or one takeout order. Yet many families skip term life insurance simply because they don't know this. And that lack of knowledge can cost a family everything during the worst moment of their lives. Think of your life as a bridge you're crossing with your family behind you. As long as you're alive, your income and support hold everything together. Term life insurance is a safety net under that bridge, so that if you fall, they don't fall with you. Here's how it works. You choose the coverage amount. $10, $0,000. $2.50,000, $500K. Even $1 million and the number of years you want protection. You pay a fixed monthly price for that entire term. And if something happens to you during that time, your family gets the full payment tax-free. If you outlive the term, the policy simply ends. Some people ask, isn't that a waste? But insurance isn't something you buy to profit from it. It's something you buy for the people who depend on you. Just like car or home insurance, you hope you never need it, but you're grateful it's there if something happens. Let's talk about the benefits. Term life insurance is the most affordable option, giving the highest coverage for the lowest price. It's simple, flexible, tax-free, and perfect for families, single parents, homeowners, and young adults. But every product has drawbacks. Term life only lasts for the length you choose. It has no cash value, and it gets more expensive as you age. If you wait too long or develop medical issues, getting approved or finding low prices becomes harder. Now let's look at the real costs people misunderstand the most. A healthy 30-year-old can get $500,000 for $25, $35 a month. A 40-year-old for around $40, $55. And a 50-year-old for $80, $120. Prices jump drastically in your 60s. So the younger you buy, the cheaper your price stays for decades. Once your price is locked in, it stays the same for 20 or 30 years. That's why smart families, by early they protect their future and save money long-term. Waiting only makes it more expensive. Many people rely on life insurance from their job, but that's risky. If you quit, change jobs, or get laid off, your coverage disappears instantly. That's why experts say you should never rely only on job insurance. Need your own personal policy. Another myth is that life insurance companies don't pay. In reality, they pay out almost all approved claims because they're legally required to. The real issue isn't companies not paying it, people not buying, waiting too long, or misunderstanding the cost. Term life insurance is the only product you buy, hoping you never need to use it. If your family never claims it, it means you lived, and that's not a loss, that's a blessing. Insurance is protection, not profit. So who needs term life insurance the most? Anyone with a spouse, kids, aging parents, a mortgage, or someone who depends on their income. Single parents especially need it because their children rely on them alone. If you're young, you get the cheapest rates. If you're older, term still provides large coverage for much less than whole life. But every year you wait, the price rises, and once you get sick, it may be too late. Insurance is something you buy while you're healthy, not when you need it. Right now, you might be healthier than you'll ever be again. And that's exactly when insurance is meant to be purchased. Life insurance is not for you, it's for the people who cry when you die. They won't care about paperwork or premiums. They'll care that you protected them when you still had the chance. That simple monthly payment becomes an act of love. So here's the truth. Term life insurance is simple, affordable, powerful, and designed to protect your family from financial disaster. It doesn't build cash value and it doesn't last forever. But while it does, it offers massive protection at a price almost anyone can afford. And in 2025, with high costs and financial uncertainty, it's one of the smartest decisions a family can make. If you want more videos like this, breakdowns, guides, comparisons, and real answers about USA life insurance, make sure you like this video and subscribe to Life Insurance USA. Drop your questions in the comments and tell me your age, family situation, and goals so I can guide you for free. And if this video brought you even a little clarity, take action today and protect your family's future.